y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed on a little road trip to Gas Monkey Garage to film a promo shoot for Bandas de Trocas. Don't mind my Spanish, it's really terrible, but that's the name of the show. It's May 25th and Gas Monkey isn't far, but we could drive this, but she's loaded on the trailer because we still don't have that little fuel issue fix that was in the last video. So better safe than sorry. We're gonna go ahead and just haul it on the trailer. This is actually our new bumper pull load trail. So it's really convenient for stuff like this. We've got a little bit over an hour drive and I don't really know what's gonna happen today, but I think they're gonna do some burnouts around the trucks. So we're trying to get like all of the Dolph wrapped vehicles that are local together. And I think like Freddy LSX and all of them are gonna be doing burnouts around them. So should be a pretty cool day. Let's go. Unstrapping y'all, girl. Dolph wrapped vehicles in one place. These are just the ones that are in DFW area. This is the burnout pad. It's a little small. You know, you gotta be skilled to drive here, I think.
Yeah, so are you gonna do burnouts? Bandas de Trocas, May 25th. It's gonna be going down at Texas Motor Speedway and it's gonna be freaking awesome. I've heard about this event for a long time and this is my first year to get to go. We're gonna be hanging out there partying with OnDGas and Project Torque. They're here to hang out, do a little tour of the shop, things like that. But they also brought some toys. Maybe we clean out my little burn pit here and start getting on it. But right now, you guys know about this show. Tell them what's up.
So yeah guys, make sure to come through. Everybody in all surrounding areas, we are gonna be there. Vento's bringing Takashi. I'm bringing the Green Machine, the OG, and it's gonna go down there. Also having some brand new merch drops. Don't have that at your tent or your.
We're gonna have them by the burn hub.
So tell me about this burn hub. You gonna be doing burnout pit?
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a burnout pit. It's gonna be two 40-foot containers with you guys, Gas Monkey's logo, and then we have O'Reilly's, our official auto parts store.
All right. That's cool, because you show the back of that, it says, what, we need money for tires?
Money for tires.
It's not only going to be just go out there and blow your tires, they're going to have a $2,000 payout for
$5,000 payout.
$5,000? We're actually going to pick somebody from the crowd, and we're going to pick the best burnout, and they're going to win it.
I want to talk about some of these cars and take a look at them before you guys get to doing burnouts, because, you know, if you go through my fence or my building, then I get to keep whatever's left over, right?
No, it's just paper, don't worry about it.
All right, thanks to Bandas de Trocas and Project Torque and OnDGas for coming out. We're going to have some fun here at Gas Monkey. We got some coolers full of beer and some badass trucks and rides, so let's get after it. Woo! This is kick-ass. I can't wait for May 25th, but let's clear out some of these. I think Lacey Blair just pulled up. We got to see what's going on with her, and we got a lot going on today. All right, so right here behind me is one of the coolest trucks I've seen in a long time. Belongs to Miss Lacey Blair, who is blowing up the internet, the YouTubes, you name it, you say it. She's out there, she's doing it right, and what's really cool is she's doing the work and she's putting in the time to go to all the shows and everything like that. So congratulations on your success. It's really, really kick-ass to watch.
I appreciate it so much.
Yeah, I've been watching you for a long time, you know. I don't know, maybe it's blonde hair, now it's brown hair.
You know, I like to switch it up on everybody.
I don't know. I got a style, I just don't know what it is. So tell me what we're looking at here, because I've never got the, either you roll by or I'm rolling by, we haven't got to talk about it. What we got?
Yeah, so we've got my 2022 F250. It's a frame off build. So we actually built this in pretty much 10 days for SEMA. It's a bare frame with that 10-day point. Powder coated frame, it's an 18-inch Elevate lift kit. We've got 28-inch JTX forged and 44-inch boggers. And then of course, as all of us here are partial to. The Dolph wrap camera.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Atlanta custom wraps. And yeah, there's a lot of detail and a lot of time in this for what it is, you know, for the bolt-on kit and everything. Everything powder coated by me. And yeah, me and pretty much one of my guys put this together and got time for it.
Don't let her show off too much. The powder coating's right there where her shop is. Like a big powder coating shop. I think we've got a little easy bake oven that we use for keychains.
Oh, you do?
I don't know. Nah, this is really badass. And I saw it out at a couple of shows, but I didn't get to really check it out. I dig it. Maybe I got to buy it from you one of these days.
Oh,
because I know
giveaway?
Oh, we can try it, but that's a dangerous game, those giveaways. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyways, Lacey's here. You're going to be at Bandas Truck Us, right?
Yes.
May 25th.
I'm going to be doing
tickets.
Burnouts.
You're going to be doing the Burnouts too.
Not in this, but in the Burnout truck. So.
Wow, that is badass. Because you and your guy are doing some kind of burnout war thing, right?
Yep.
I've been watching that blow up too. That was a good idea. I can't believe as many burnouts I've done right here. I didn't think of that idea.
I love that there's just so much of it going on every day.
Hell yeah. We'll kick ass. May 25th, Texas Motor Speedway. See all of us there. It's going to be badass.
Look, we got Josh over here hooking me up with an O'Reilly's delivery. It's the wrong one. That's okay. We're going to get the right one and switch it out and get the old girl not leaking fuel anymore.
Burnouts. All right, we got you guys out here from OnDGas and Project Torque. They've agreed to do some burnouts. This is 100% at their risk. This is their people that are standing out here, and they decided that that's what they want to do. So, see what happens. Trucks, and this is a little bitty spot, so if you've been here, you know this isn't a giant area, and you guys killed it. That's a first for Gas Monkey. You guys want to see some more of this badass May 25th, Texas Motor Speedway, Bandas Truck Us. You're gonna have OnDGas out there, Project Torque, a whole lot of other well, guys that like trucks and doing burnouts, so get you some of that.
All right, we're inside the shop, outside of the heat for a minute. You guys know the skid mark truck, absolutely beautiful. And there's a little project going on over here that's actually going to be revealed at Bandas. So we're going to see what the progress is on it so far. That is 3 weeks away?
So yeah, 79 F100, it's a double badge truck. We're not real big on patina, but this truck's patina was so perfect. Like, we had to keep it. We engine bay painted, we did the whole interior, the chassis underneath, everything's all nice. It's just the exterior. Gen 3 Coyote, supercharged, T56 Magnum transmission, carbon fiber drive shaft, Hurry rear end with axles, 14-inch wheelwood brakes, Ride-Tech front and rear clip that we boxed our stock chassis and welded all that in. It's gonna be a badass truck. Like, skid mark is like one you take out and like show off that's pretty. Yeah. This is the one that you go just beat the out of, you know. And
so you guys gonna do some burnouts?
Oh yeah. So we got a little trick in there where
it's gonna make it a little bit easier. We've hidden inside of there. So in the interior, it's all modern. We threw all digital screens across the dash. Everything's suede inside, you know, just a real modern, nice car feel. Just to kind of throw you off from the ugly exterior. So, and then we're obviously, I'm gonna say it to that camera too, we're waiting on Chris for wheels.
Chris.
Obviously.
Chris.
JTX.
Get it together,
He's
man.
even up there.
Chris.
That's the second camera I've set it to. They do us good. So we got some JTXs coming. We just had these on the back so we can have a roller. It's absolutely gonna be a monster. We're gonna debut at OnDGas. We'll do the burnout. You know, we ain't gonna do no crazy shit like y'all.
No?
We ain't trying to, hell no. No, God, y'all are nuts for that. But we are gonna get out there and let it eat for a little bit.
Chris, waiting on you.
There he is. There he is, look, it's on out again. Chris.
What kind of wheels are going on it, Chris? I know, but
What you mean? A 20-inch.
Huh?
A 20-inch wheel?
Are they like
Street series?
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, street series.
Drop us.
100%. Street series. They get the one-off stuff. I don't know. I don't know how. I don't know why.
Lucky.
It might be that dude with the slick back hair up front.
Yeah. You gonna do anything on this color?
No.
No clear, no nothing? Satin?
Yeah, so the interior is the same, this is the same.
So do we do satin?
I love it.
On the wheel, like more like this?
I don't think it would look bad.
Because I got a gray, the gray I had in mind, it just hits harder than this.
Skid Mark's wheels didn't match anything and it popped, so I'm fine. Yeah, I'm cool with throwing some gloss on here. It hit last time.
I was going to do Kingsport gray on the center and then polish it.
No, I think it'll flow enough.
Yeah.
It'll be a good contrast. It'll look really good.
From there to there, you won't really see much difference.
That's the sauce for sure.
I know it's taking him so long though. I asked him for a 20-inch wheel and he ain't happy about it.
No.
Because he's like 26s are nothing, right? That's me with my dually wheels right now. They won't let me do 20s. So I'm keeping stocks for now. Alright y'all, we're gonna go film some rollers of all the golf wrap trucks together. We got videographers on videographers. We got, well, truck drivers saying hi, I guess. Check out all these guys. We've got like 9 YouTube channels. Okay, hell yeah, they're loving it. Yeah, that's what's going down. And
Nah, we're good.
George is running the drone, so gonna be some pretty sick shots. Alright, we're back at the shop. My truck's doing the same thing. It's leaking a little bit of fuel this time. Wasn't going as fast. As soon as I smelt it, we realized there was a problem. I just kind of backed off. But we're thinking it must be like a fuel line fitting or something. So we're definitely going to need to go back to the shop and get all of that sorted out. So he said the fuel filter is wet on top, which I thought Zach and all of them said it wasn't.
Is it loose?
Yeah.
Huh.
Completely
That's
wobbling
what literally me and Cap just changed not that long ago. I personally, in my defense, don't know what the hell I'm doing when it comes to that stuff, but
Just gotta tighten it.
Cap's supposed to, right? Why isn't it tight, Cap? Just kidding. It's nobody's fault.
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, it's leaking from there, definitely. Definitely leaking from there.
All of these?
And then just tighten. Favorite thing here, a little geo tracker. That was my first car. Did you know that?
No.
My very first car was a pink Metro Geo Tracker. Look how cute! I want to build another one day, just for the nostalgia of it. This thing's legit. And you know, there's like a couple other cool cars in here too. Is that a Ghost? Rolls Royce?
Yeah, it's a roller.
What is it? What do they call that? What is the thing I'm thinking of? A Phantom. Phantom. Is that what it is?
I don't know.
This is sick. That's
Like the drag car. The
drag
dragster
car?
behind you.
oh.
Is this
There's
the
no big deal,
Is this the
just-
Jeepers Creepers car?
I don't know. This just
he
casually. Everything just kept like, what? That's insane. That paint job's insane.
Bro, parties in here must be lit.
I wouldn't want nobody around this stuff. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, the charger.
That's beautiful. I've been here
Dom Toretto.
before, but there's always new stuff in here.
See if you can do a burnout on this.
In this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This thing looks terrifying to drive.
This dude has an off-road Cobra? What in the world? I can see Weston ripping that thing.
What?
The
that?
Cobra?
Oh, hell yeah. Look at this fancy chair. Fancy schmancy.
He's a fancy chandelier.
Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. The interior design is always on point. I have a picture on the back of that thing. I don't even know how I got up there. Alright, shoot's wrapped up. Now we're eating some good Mexican food. Family style.